Welcome to our girls' Mayon dress manufacturing unit, where traditional designs meet professional production.
Here we store fabrics specially selected for Mayon dresses, focusing on bright and traditional colors. This is the main production floor, where cutting, stitching, and embroidery take place.
Each Mayon dress goes through careful cutting, stitching, decoration, and quality checks.
This department finalizes dress designs, embroidery styles, and patterns for Mayon outfits.
Each Mayon dress goes through careful cutting, stitching, decoration, and quality checks.
Yes, these shades are perfect. The mustard yellow and the vibrant orange capture the spirit of the Mayon colors beautifully.
Kilamingler Adalambalga Kunkapona Ingichlonatatu.
The complete Mayon collection is stunning. We look amazing in these colors.